Okay, so hello there. I installed this new Kali instance, and when I was updating the system, I got this error. This is a very common issue in Kali Linux. It's just mainly because, your system is missing the Kali repository GPT key. So the app refuses to trust the repo. And the fix is very simple. It's not very long. It's just a one command fix. So what do you need to do? Just copy the command and paste it in here. I'll just put it somewhere in the description so you guys can just copy and paste it. So yeah, once again, let me just show it to you. It's a sudo app get update. So you can see that it's not working at the moment. Yeah. And I'll just, paste the command again, hit enter, connected, and let me update it again. And let's see what happens. And boom, there you go. As you can see, it's now updating. So yeah, that is a very quick and simple fix. So cat etc mpt and sources.list. Yeah, yeah, I think it's good for now. I was just, checking this non-free firmware, right?